In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends in Duolingo. Adding friends on Duolingo is a great way to stay motivated, compare progress, and celebrate streaks together. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside the app so you can quickly send invites and see your friends appear on your profile. Start by opening the Duolingo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually use for your lessons, since your friends will connect with whatever account is currently active. Once the app loads, look toward the bottom of the screen for your avatar. This is your profile button and usually looks like a small face or your initials. Tap that avatar to open your profile. This is where all your personal progress, streak details, and social features live. On your profile screen, find and tap Add Friends. This takes you to Duolingo's friend area where you can see suggestions and options to bring people into your network. Think of it as your hub for growing your learning circle. Next, choose Invite Friends. This creates an invitation link from your account that others can use to connect with you. The app will hand the link to your device's share menu so you can pick how you want to send it. Select text message if you want to share the invite over SMS. Depending on your phone, you may also see choices like Strava, Chrome, or Quick Share. These options simply reflect the apps and services available on your device's share sheet. Pick the method that makes the most sense for you and the friend you're inviting. Your device will prepare a message draft containing the invite link so you can share it without having to copy and paste anything. If you don't immediately see the app you want, tap More Options in the Share menu. This expands the list so you can choose another app on your device. After you've shared the link, go back to Duolingo. When your friend opens the link and accepts the invite, they'll appear on your profile under your friends list. If they don't show up right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a moment for Duolingo to sync. Just give it a little time and check your profile again. That's all it takes. Open the Duolingo app, tap your avatar, go to Add Friends, send an Invite Friends link via your preferred app, and use more options if you need a different sharing method. Once your invite is accepted, you'll see your friends right on your profile, ready to learn alongside you.